Morty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's little quick video, I'm gonna be replacing my front pads, and I'm also be painting my front calipers and my rear drum. Very simple. All you need is a 14, a 17 to get the front caliper bracket off, and whatever color paint you're gonna use. I use some Scotch-Brite to scuff the pad and scuff the caliper bracket and rotors up. Not the rotors. Damn. The drums. Get some alcohol, some kind of alcohol cleaning solution to clean it up after you Scotch-Brite them, and you'll see the process, but it's fairly simple. So got the pads, got the hardware, got the lube. Let's get into it. So if you're just changing the brake pads, you only need a 14 to take off this bolt right here and this bolt right here. But if you're doing the pads and the rotors, you would take off this back bolt as well. It's a 17. I'm just doing pads because our rotors are still within spec, but I'm gonna be painting this bracket, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the back this bracket along with the caliper.